Yeah, buddy. And got the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Duh. iPhone dime. iPhone dime.
Damn, what a hot ass chick.
And no, I am not sponsored by Amazon Prime. Although Amazon, I am open for it, so hit me up. I've been an Amazon Prime user for many years. I even had the Amazon rewards card. Okay,
You tell him.
I pay annually. But I didn't want to get Apple's case because according to reviews on YouTube, they whack us. Dude, it's overpriced. The one I got was half the price. So the case that I've been using for the iPhone XS Max, this is the X Doria. Amazing band. I bought this back in 2018. It's kept my phone in excellent condition. My phone is still in mint condition. Still looks brand new. Been using it for the past 2 years. There's no marks, no scratches, no dents. I trust this brand, X Doria. So I decided I'd get the same brand, but for the 12 Pro Max this time. Case as well as screen protectors. 3 of the front screen protectors and 2 of the camera lens protectors. It was 12 bucks. It's a good deal. I'll still be using my XS Max. I want to hold it for more than 10 seconds without having a screen protector on it. Because I'm a very clumsy guy. So I don't know if you guys heard of the self curse, but if you never drop your phone, you're never going to drop it. But the moment you drop it once, that initial drop, you're doomed. You're going to be dropping it like often. I kind of believe that because when I first got this and I put the case right away, probably like 7 or 8 months before I dropped it the first time. Then I've been dropping it since.
Oh, that is whack.
ND filters for my Mavic Mini. When I'm looking at the footage, it looks hella like overexposed. It was only 30 bucks. So F-Stop Labs is actually a really good brand. Any tech gear that I buy, I always research it and I watch YouTube reviews and YouTube unboxing videos. Every gear, every gadget that I purchase, I do extensive research and get like a professional's opinion on this. Decent company, perfect ND filter for my Mavic Mini. It comes in a 5-pack. So these are the 2 camera lens protectors, and here is the screen protectors. And there's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Tempered glass, 9/8 thickness. Yeah, buddy. It's a Chinese brand, but designed in Los Angeles. Ooh, wow. 13 feet drop test, the most expensive one. I have a YouTube video on it. They literally like went up on a ladder. They threw the phone on the ground and survived. 13 feet drop tested. Oh my God. Ooh, nice. Really heavy duty silicone. The edges are aluminum. The whole thing is TPE silicone. Very durable, very strong. Very similar to this. The edges are all aluminum. So I've used it for 2 years. It's still clear. It's dirty and scratched up, but it never turned yellow. A lot of like the cheaper ones, they turn yellow over time. This one didn't. I'm sure this clear one will stay clear. 13 feet drop tested. Wipe it clean. Battery just started blinking. Let's get it. Let me switch batteries first. Had to get some coffee while I was at it. Make it look all nice. Ooh. Oh my God, it looks so beautiful.
It's very nice.
I think it was iJustine where she was doing an unboxing and she held the phone up like this and the phone fell out and she dropped it. Doing it very carefully. Ooh, look how beautiful that is. Feels so nice.
It's very nice.
And yes, that's old news. I have a bunch of them anyways. They stopped giving these USB bricks. I have so many of them. So I don't really need it. A shiny blue color to it. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's like I'm basically like de-virginizing it. You could hear it. Woo. that screen though. I don't even want to put my fingers on it. They always send this warranty information, little pic for the SIM card. I don't have to do that. I already set it up when I ordered this on the Apple website. So they already put an AT&T SIM card already in here. They do provide that in case you're switching services or whatever. Every Apple product I own already has an Apple logo. I just kind of just collect them. Apple stickers are nice. This I'm gonna keep it as a backup. I used to work at a hostel. You'd be surprised how many guests leave their iPhone charger. Oh my god, in the Lost and Found, we had like stacks and stacks of Android chargers, Apple chargers. We keep it in the Lost and Found. We keep it there for 2 weeks. If nobody comes back to claim it, we throw them away or we donate it to the Goodwill. She lets us go through it and take whatever we want. I mean, they're gonna be throwing it away and donating it anyways. I have like a whole bin in Studio B full of iPhone chargers. At least I know I have a brand. Ooh. I love the smell of I love the smell of brand new electronics. It smells so good. All the ones I have is Lightning to USB 3. The new ones now is Lightning to USB-C. My DJI charges with USB-C. I could still charge this phone with my old Lightning cable. That's no problem. It's just USB is faster, so just like my backup. I'm gonna do this quick. Microparticles flying in the air as we speak. Wet wipes first. Okay, just wipe down the screen. Want no lint, dust, nothing at all. Now we use the sticker down the screen. It removes any excess lint or dust. So you gotta do it fast. Okay, now I get the screen protector. Peel it out. The sticky side right on, and you just match it. Little slot right there, with a slot right there. Okay, so use this for flattening it. Get all the bubbles out. So you kind of just use that slit as your guide. Once you peel off the adhesive, you just match that slit with the speaker, and you just be really slow and gentle. You just put it right over it, and then you just press down on it. You use this and press down, put pressure on it. It presses the screen protector onto the screen. It flattens out all the bubbles. It kind of cleans it too. Flatten it like that. And then we're good. My R6 overheated. What else is new? Put it in, you know? I love the smell of brand new electronics. Especially iPhones. It's just so bomb. Dry it up. Don't put your finger on that. Just put it right over. Man, look at that. Got it on. Clean this up a little bit. I gotta start editing my videos, so let's get the phone. There you go. Is it in?
That's what she said.
And there's my new iPhone 12 Pro Max, baby. I just gotta charge my phone. I got 2 phones.
I got 2 phones, one for the bitches and one for the dogs.
So one's gonna be like my main phone, obviously. Texts, phone calls, email. The other one, I'll still be using it flying my drone, controlling my mechanic. There's apps now where you could control all your gadgets. Self-portraits, use the Canon app on my phone, controlling my lights, live streaming with my GoPro. I could use this also for live streaming on Facebook or on YouTube. So I could have one phone live streaming and then the other phone for like chatting, you know? One will be of course connected to AT&T using data, and then the XS Max for Wi-Fi. I'm so excited, yo. Look at those 3 cameras though. Yo, it's just gonna be sick. A telephoto, a wide, and an ultra wide. And there's also LiDAR, so it's gonna shoot well at low light. Yo, the camera on this has improved. That's a pretty big upgrade, yo, from the XS Max dual camera to the 12 Pro Max triple. I should have skipped the 11 from a XS Max to a 12 Pro Max. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and charge my 12 Pro Max, folks. Disconnect AT&T from this phone. Put AT&T on here. And we're ready to start making some iPhone 12 Pro Max content. Shit! Thank you guys for watching. Alright, now I gotta edit my video from yesterday, so talk to you guys later. Peace.